how to install Samsung Music app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Play Store. If there isn't one on the home screen, you can swipe up to go into the app screen. And in the app screen, tap on Play Store. Here we go down and tap on the search button and then type in Samsung Music and tap on the search button on the keyboard. Next we go down and then tap on the install button. Now wait for the phone to download the installation and then it will proceed to install. Now that's finished already, really super fast. So now tap on open and then tap on continue and then tap on continue. Then tap on allow, and that's it. So now it's ready for you to play music on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.